Do you have Spam in your inbox? Why not put it in your mouth instead? Spam! It goes in your mouth. It's the goddamn Spam episode. It's the Spam cam. Shit. Why is it called Spam? You know, it's kind of a mystery. Supposedly there's like 3 people at Hormel that know what Spam means. People say it's spiced ham, but technically we made that up. The people at Hormel have some other secret meaning for it. It's really not that mysterious. Spam has a few ingredients. People always think there's like horse buttholes, snouts, and tails. Horse buttholes. Literally, Spam is pork shoulder and ham. Pork shoulder comes from the shoulder, and ham is the thigh. Juicy thigh meat. That's where the ham comes from. Spam has 5 ingredients, basically. You got pork, you've got salt, you've got sugar, you've got potato starch as a binder. It's just a little bit of basically the starch from potatoes that kind of keeps it in one piece. And sugar and curing salt. God damn it. I get it. The pink brick is not that appetizing. It's like this slimy, weird thing. But we're gonna transform that with our chef techniques into something you and I would both want to eat. Talking about cooking the Spam. So what are we gonna make? SpamLT. It's got Spam. It's got lettuce. It's got tomato. It's got spicy aioli, and it's got shaved sugar snap peas for a little bit of like sweet crunch. Oh, and some caramelized onions, real soft and sweet. I'm the Spam man. So basically I'm gonna like square it up so it looks pretty, you know. Here. Bricks that we can slice. For our spicy aioli, I'm gonna use some kewpie Japanese mayo, some lime juice, some Aleppo pepper, but you can use whatever kind of chili pepper you like, and a little bit of sriracha. It says right here on the back, back in the 1950s in Hilo, Hawaii, a man named Robert Taira had a passion for baking. He worked tirelessly to create a bread that was soft, sweet, and irresistible. Hawaiian sweet rolls. Let's toast those buns. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes until toasty. Let's caramelize some onions, thinly slice them, and throw them in a pan with a pat of butter. Well, normally when you caramelize onions, if you want like dark onions, it takes like 45 minutes, an hour to really get them there. But by adding a little bit of baking soda and raising the pH, we can get that done faster. We can make it happen in like 10-15 minutes. That's a cool little chef trick. Just a little bit of sugar, not too much. Hi, I'm Michael Barron, and when I get a hankering for onions, only one onion will do. Uncle Davino's onion sacks. Hey, if you're gonna buy an onion, why not take home a sackful? I mean, does anybody really want to learn how to use this? People should. I might be a genius. Let's fry up that Spam. Throw it in a dry pan on medium heat for a few minutes until it's crispy on the bottom. Give it a flip and cook for a few more minutes until it's nice and golden. In most parts of the US, Spam is kind of like, you know, ew, it's gross. Spam doesn't have to be the pink meatloaf log. It's basically the same ingredients as bacon. Horse buttholes. I'm Michael Barron, and when I'm not salting stuff in the kitchen, I'm salting myself with activated charcoal bath salts. Slide in and marinate. Salty. Let's build that sandwich, starting with some of our aioli, follow it up with that fried Spam, then a little bit of our caramelized onion, followed with sugar snap peas, tomato, lettuce, and some more of that spicy aioli. Put a lid on that bad boy and bask in its glory. God damn! Spam! Woo!
Best meat in a can I've ever had.
Thanks so much for watching. If you had a swell time, hit the like button. It helps other folks find our videos. And let me know in the comments what recipes you'd like to see next. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that shiny button so you don't miss our next video.
SpamLTs.